Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing video for the Vaultek SR20i. This is the Bluetooth version. So let's break into it and see what we got. It's pretty hefty, so that's a good sign. That's what you want from a safe. Toss that aside, put the knife away. Alright, pop it open. And we got there's the safe. Comes with mounting hardware, plate, which is attached. So I'll have to get that off. Alright, get the box out of here. So we've got a battery, cable, the base for the cable, keys so that if your battery dies you can still get in, and screws so that you can mount your mounting bracket to whatever it is that you are trying to mount it to. So, and then your owner's manual. Well, that's pretty much it. Unless you want to watch me struggle to get this off. That is the safe. So, a little bigger than I was expecting, but still pretty decent. So I got a spot next to my bed that I'm going to be putting that. I'm going to get another one of these and it's going to go in my car. I've also got the universal car kit, but there is the keyhole should you need to. Alright, well thanks for watching guys.